Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make croissant. Add 600 grams of plain flour, 60 grams of milk powder, 60 grams of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon instant yeast, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix the dry ingredients. Add 420 ml of cold milk. Mix with a wooden spoon. Add 30 grams of unsalted butter. Transfer on your work surface and knead for 5 to 10 minutes. Flour a dish. Flatten out the dough. Cover with cling film. Cover with a kitchen towel. Place in the fridge for 12 hours or overnight. For the butter layer, place cling film as shown in an 8 by 8 tin. Place 280 grams of unsalted butter. The butter should be soft so that it's easy to spread it out. Flatten out the butter. Place in the fridge for 1 hour. Flour your surface. Lightly deflate the dough with your fingertips. Roll out the dough. It should be 10 by 10 inches. Place the butter. The butter should not be too hard. You can remove it 5 to 10 minutes before using. Fold as shown and dust off any excess flour. You can seal the edges by pinching it slightly. Roll out the dough into 27 by 8 inches. Make sure that the dough is not sticking onto the surface. Fold the dough as shown and dust off the excess flour. Place on a floured tray and cover with cling film. Place a kitchen towel on top and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Repeat the same process 2 more times. If you feel like the dough is resisting at any point, do not continue rolling. Fold it and place it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before continuing. After the third fold, wrap the dough in cling film. Place in the fridge for 12 hours or overnight. Dust your surface and transfer the dough. You can cut it into half as it's easier working with halves. Wrap the other half and place in the fridge. Roll out the dough into approximately 22 by 8 inches. If the dough resists, lightly flour it, wrap it in cling film, and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. You can cut off the edges. Place a mark every 5 inches at the bottom. At the top, place the first mark at 2.5 inches, followed by 5 inches. Cut as shown by joining the points. Dust off any excess flour and lightly stretch out the dough. Place a small cut and roll as shown. Place the open end on the baking tray. Egg wash with 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of water. Lightly cover with cling film and let them rise for 2 hours. They'll have a slight wobble to them. That's when you know that they're ready. Egg wash again. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes and then at 190 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.